Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. International Reggae Day IRD 2020 salutes the game changers. This year's staging of International Reggae Day will celebrate 11 local and international pioneers who have impacted the growth of Jamaican music and creative culture. IRD 2020, held under the theme From Jam Rock to Hip Hop, will acknowledge game changers like Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Damian Marley, Busta Rhymes, Heavy D, DJ Kool Herc, Biggie Smalls, Supercat, Shinehead, The Fugees, and Pepper from Salt and Pepper. IRD conceptualizer Andrew Davis shared why the decision was made to acknowledge hip-hop pioneers in this year's celebration.
Yes, International Reggae Day this year will celebrate From Jam Rock to Hip Hop, another exciting chapter in the story of Jamaican music, and we are highlighting that bridge that exists from Kool Herc to Damian Marley and all the music in between that verges two cultures from the streets, two youth cultures and two cultures that continue to make waves around the world and to be the soundtrack of the global resistance. So this year we are very happy to be highlighting that part of the family tree, and we look forward to the world enjoying that party with us.
She also noted that due to the COVID-19 pandemic, IRD 2020 events will go virtual.
Been going virtual for a few years, but this year more than ever it means so much more to so many people. So we're looking forward to connect with even more people than we have and continue to grow this network and contact and connect with the global reggae community in a way that gives Jamaican music creators another platform to express and to develop further in their dreams and their aspirations.
Since its inception in 1994, International Reggae Day has highlighted various chapters in the evolving story of Jamaica's music legacy. Now, Tarrus Riley offers Healing. Tarrus Riley has released Healing, the title track from his upcoming album, scheduled for release on July 10. The new track, which features harmonies from dancehall artist Shenseea, sees Mr. Singy Singy pondering the impact of the COVID-19 virus and how it will change the world, as he maintains that the world needs healing. Shenseea is also featured on the track Lighter. Riley's upcoming 12-track album Healing, produced by Shane Brown, Dean Fraser and Riley himself, will also feature dancehall artists Conscience, Dex Adapts, TJ and Russian. Healing is the follow-up to Tarrus's album Love Situation that was released back in 2014. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.